here they've given us a graph, and they're asking us to do integrals up to some point x. Now, integral means the area between the graph and the x-axis. That's what this means. This is going to equal the area from 0 to x. See how it ends in x? It goes from 0 to x, the area from 0 to x. So in this table, they're starting with x equals 0. So that means the area from 0 to 0. Well, that's just 0. You're going nowhere, right? Because that's the area. Well, here, let's just put it here. This means area from x equals 0 from 0 to 0. From 0 to 0. Whereas the next one is going to be the area from 0 to 1. To x equals 1. We should just put an x here. X equals 0, x equals 1. We're letting it be 1 now. All right. So from 0 to 1. So if you go 0 to 1, here's 0 and 1. This area this right here. Well, that's easy. Just count the squares. 1, 2. It's just if you just have a big rectangle, just count the squares. 4. But careful, it's negative 4 because it's below the axis, right? So I'll just put this in here again. Let me try to do a better job on that. Boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. And this region is -4. Okay, so there we go. Next region. Now they're going to say this is area from 0 to x equals 2 because now x is 2. So we got to do the next section. We got to find this region right here. And this is a triangle. The area of a triangle formula is a half times the base times the height. So it'll be a half. The base is 1. The height is 4. You see that? This is the base of the triangle. It's only 1. The height is 1, 2, 3, 4. So base and the height are the two sides that are at 90 degrees to each other. So that's 2. So but this is -2 again because it's below. The area there is -2 because it's below the axis. So if we go all the way from 0 to 2, it's supposed to be a 2 there, all the way from 0 to 2, we're going to have -4 minus 2, which is -6. And there we go. Okay, now lastly, all the way to 3. So we want the area from 0 to x equals 3 to here. So we need to find the area of this little triangle here. So the area again of any triangle is a half times base times height. So half the base is 1. The height is 2, right? Base 1, height 2. The two lines that are 90 degrees to each other. And that just comes out half of 2 is 1. So this little triangle here, oops, that is +1. Because it's above. So putting all these together then, for this last one, we got -4 -2, and lastly, +1. That comes out -5. Just 1 there. When you do all that. So that's all. That's the total area from 0 to 3, counting things below as negative and things above as positive. So there we go.